Okay, here we are today. We're going to review, or not so much review, but we're going to do a shave or a beard trim, not a shave, but a beard trim with this Philips OneBlade QP6530, which I did a video on before. And I'm going to be looking right into the camera here now because obviously I have to look at myself in a mirror or in my camera when I do this, because you got to be fairly precise about it, lest you take off a big chunk of your beard. So let's try this and we'll see how it goes. Doing the cheeks here. Yeah, I'd much rather look in the mirror, but unfortunately, my setup doesn't allow that. Not and have the ability at the same time to make a good video, so I guess I'll have to just do this. You hear the cutting, of course. Always a good sign. You want to do your best not to take a big chunk out of your beard as you're doing this. And there we go, guys. I didn't want to let the video go for too long. Didn't want to increase my chances of taking a big gouge out of my beard. So there you go. When you do this, of course, I trust you won't be making a YouTube video, so look in the mirror when you do this so you can make sure you're not going to be cutting anything off that shouldn't come off. But it works pretty well. And I can say that I didn't really get any hair anywhere except, I don't know if you can see this, see the hair behind the blade here. It's more focused on me than it is the blade, but yeah, it's there. So just, rinse it off under the water and ready to go again. So that's my beard trim with the QP6530 Philips OneBlade. I try to do it every couple of days, and if you do that, if you do it every couple of days, and then once, to shape it, and then of course once it gets long here, the actual beard gets longer, then you can add the comb attachment right here. You take the comb attachment, put it on here, and choose a setting, however short or long you want it. So there you go. But I won't use this just yet. There you go, guys. There's a beard trim demonstration with the Philips OneBlade QP6530.